Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix scratched wheels using an easy method. First, thoroughly clean your wheel with soap and water, ensuring all dirt and grime are removed. Next, carefully inspect the scratch to determine its depth. This helps you choose the right repair approach. Finally, gather your materials, including fine grit sandpaper, automotive primer, matching wheel paint, and a clear coat for protection. This preparation is crucial for a successful repair. Once your wheel is clean and dry, it's time to address the scratch. Gently sand the damaged area with fine grit sandpaper, like 400 grit, until the surface feels smooth and the scratch is less prominent. After sanding, clean the area thoroughly with a degreaser to remove any residue and ensure proper adhesion for the next steps. Then, apply a thin, even layer of automotive primer, allowing it to dry completely according to product instructions. This creates a perfect base. Now for the color. Apply several light, even coats of your matching wheel paint, allowing adequate drying time between each application to prevent drips and ensure a smooth finish. Patience here is key for a professional look. Once the paint is dry, apply multiple thin layers of clear coat. This step adds durability, protects the paint, and provides that factory-fresh shine. Remember to let the clear coat cure completely before putting your wheel back on your vehicle. To complete your wheel repair, buff the treated area with a polishing compound. This helps blend the new paint and clear coat seamlessly with the original finish, making the repair virtually invisible. For extra protection and to keep your wheels looking great, consider applying a high-quality wheel sealant. It creates a barrier against dirt and brake dust. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your new wheels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.